Welcome to this technical guide on the Nintendo Switch. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Nintendo Switch isn't charging properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty charging port, which may have accumulated dust, debris, or even physical damage over time. If not addressed promptly, you might find yourself unable to charge your device at all, leading to more significant problems down the line. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a spudger tool, and a replacement charging port specific to your Nintendo Switch model. Ensure you have a clean and well-lit workspace ready for the task ahead. First, begin by powering off your Nintendo Switch completely to avoid any electrical issues. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back of the device. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use your spudger tool to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any internal components. After removing the back cover, locate the charging port. It's usually situated near the bottom of the device. Inspect it for any visible damage or obstructions. If you see any dust or debris, use your spudger to carefully clear it away. To remove the faulty charging port, you will need to disconnect a couple of cables attached to it. Gently pull these connectors out, ensuring you don't pull on the wires themselves. Once all connections are free, unscrew the charging port from its housing. Replace it with the new charging port, making sure it fits snugly into place. Reconnect the cables, taking care to align them correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After everything is securely in place, it's time to reassemble your Nintendo Switch. Carefully place the back cover back on, ensuring that no wires are pinched in the process. Replace the screws with the Phillips screwdriver, tightening them just enough to secure the cover without over-tightening. Finally, power on your device and check if it charges properly with your charger. If everything is functioning as it should, you have successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to keep your charging port clean and free from debris. Regularly inspect it for any signs of damage, and avoid yanking the cable while charging. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.